Kalispera kiris kikiri. Today we have chicken breast on the electric grill. The ingredients are chicken breast, green pepper, tomato, cucumber, olive oil, a lemon, rigani, salt, pepper, and mini pita bread. You're going to need a whole chicken breast, around 1 kilogram. Start cutting the chicken into 1-inch cubes and placing them into the mixing bowl. As soon as you're finished cutting the chicken into cubes, it's time to marinate. 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil, half a lemon, and reserve the other half for later. One tablespoon of salt and half a tablespoon of pepper, and my favorite, rigani. 2 to 3 pinches you'll need, but I add way more than that. Now you're going to need to give it a really good mix so everything blends together. As soon as you're done, you could use saran wrap or tin foil to cover it and place it in the fridge and let it sit for 2 hours. While we're waiting for the chicken, let's cut the green pepper. I'm using 1 green pepper because it's quite big. If you don't have a big green pepper like this one, use 2 small ones. Cut the green pepper lengthwise and then 1-inch square pieces. After 2 hours of sitting in the fridge and marinating, let's start making the chicken kalamaki. You're going to need a bunch of kalamaki sticks. You're going to start to make them and use 1 green pepper, 1 chicken piece, 1 green pepper, 1 chicken piece. And you're going to use around 4 chicken pieces on each kalamaki stick. The 1 kilo of chicken breast should make you 9 to 10 pieces of kalamakia. Now we're going to need a small bowl. Use the other half of the lemon and squeeze the juice in the bowl. And add some fresh olive oil, if I could get the lid open. Whisk to combine the lemon and the olive oil, then set it to the side. We're going to use the lemon and the olive oil to brush our souvlakia while they're cooking. Preheat your grill over medium to high heat. As soon as your grill is ready, place the kalamakia on. Cook the kalamakia 5 to 6 minutes on each side. As soon as you turn them around, give them a brush with the lemon and the oil. It keeps them nice and juicy so they don't dry out. We want to make sure that the chicken cooks through and through, so they might need an extra minute or two on each side. Just don't forget to brush them all the time so they stay moist. As soon as you're done cooking the kalamaki, place them on a plate. And now add the pita bread. Cook the pita bread for 1 minute on each side. I believe the best way to serve this meal is on an oval plate. Each pita, cut them into 4 pieces and place them on the plate. We cut the tomato in half and then we cut it in slices. Now we cut cucumber slices at an angle. As soon as we're done cutting the tomatoes and the cucumbers, now we add to the side of the plate 1 tomato, 1 cucumber, 1 tomato, 1 cucumber. And at the end we add the chicken kalamaki. Like always, και καλή σας όρεξη!